OnePlus Nord 5. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're taking a look at a phone that's redefining the mid-range market. This is the OnePlus Nord 5, a device that promises to bring flagship performance and features to a whole new audience. Design and display out of the box, the Nord 5 feels incredibly premium. With its glossy, matte finish and clean lines, it's a phone that looks and feels more expensive than it is. But the real star is the display. You are getting a stunning 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with a blistering 144Hz refresh rate. That means everything from scrolling through social media to watching your favorite shows is silky smooth and incredibly immersive. And thanks to Aqua Touch 2.0, it stays responsive even with wet or oily fingers. Performance and gaming now. Let's talk power. Under the hood, the Nord 5 packs the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor. This isn't just a powerful chip, it's a gaming beast. OnePlus designed this phone for serious gamers, promising stable 144 FPS gaming on demanding titles like BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile. We're talking hours of steady, high frame rate gameplay, all kept cool by a segment-leading 7300mm Superscript 2 VC cooling system. And with its brand new bypass charging feature, you can game while charging without worrying about the phone overheating. Camera. But a great phone isn't just about speed, it's about capturing moments. The Nord 5 features a dual 50MP flagship camera system, both on the back and the front. You heard that right, a 50-megapixel selfie camera. This means incredible clarity for your portraits, group shots, and even 4K videos at 60 FPS. Plus, OnePlus has brought over a full suite of AI features from their premium phones, like AI Eraser to remove unwanted objects and AI Unblur to fix those slightly out-of-focus shots. Battery and software. All that power needs a massive battery to back it up, and the Nord 5 delivers. Its 6,800 mAh battery is built for all-day use, whether you are binging videos or in a marathon gaming session. When you do need to top up, the 80W SuperVOOC charging gets you back in the game in no time. And on the software front, the Nord 5 ships with the latest OxygenOS 15 based on Android 15. OnePlus is promising a long life for this device with 4 major Android upgrades and 6 years of security updates. It's built to stay fast and smooth for years to come. Conclusion: the OnePlus Nord 5 is a compelling package. It's a phone that doesn't just promise, it delivers. With its top-tier performance, a gorgeous display, and a camera system that punches above its weight, it truly stands out as one of the best value-for-money phones in the market today.